Focus on the stress points in the fuselage design. The simulation looks stable, no issues.
Let's check the wing assembly.
Let's rotate the fuselage for a better angle.
Agreed. The wing alignment looks promising.
Now, check the engine mounts. Ready on this side. Let's go. Copy. Crane's coming down. Steady now, a little left. Rivets are flush. Check the edge alignment. Alignment is good, no gaps. Good, mark it. Let's check this seam. I'm seeing some irregular rivets.
I'll get the borescope. That'll give us a clear view.
Good. Let's log it. Panels aligned, ready to rivet. Copy that. Riveting now. Holes are drilled. Good to go. All right, crane operator, bring the wing down slowly. Copy that. Ready on this side. Perfect alignment. Torque it down. Tightening now. Wings clear. Lift it steady. Alignment good. Secure the brackets. Locked in. Check the seals. Initiate pickup sequence on the turbine disc. Alignment confirmed. Proceed to next station. All right, team, let's get this turbine seated precisely. Aligning now. Feels solid. Good. Torque it to spec. Initiating the machining cycle now. Precision tolerances are confirmed. Moving to inspection. All right, line it up. In position, holding. Good. Securing hydraulics. Looks good. Torque it. Crane down. Align forward. Copy, aligning. Secure port side. Port secured. Good. Disengage crane. All right, lift it steady. Up we go. Got it. Holding firm. Good. Torquing now. Watch the seal. Okay, aligning now. Hold it steady. Ready? Here's the driver. Good. Rivet it. Okay, lining it up now. Good. Riveting this section. Looks secure. Final check. Okay, lift it steady. Up we go. Got it. Lining up the brackets. Good. Now lock the latches. All right, slide it in steady.
Alignment looks good. Hold it there.
Securing the base.
Confirmed. Good to go.
Polishing this section. Almost mirror finish. Looks good. Keep it even. Inspecting now. No pits or cracks. Initiating landing gear test. Copy. Gears extending. Pressure holding steady. Visual check complete. Initiate pre-flight systems check. Avionics are green. Running diagnostics. Monitor EICAS for anomalies. Affirmative.